Hi, this is Terry Lee, and this is a flip through of my stacked envelope, modified manila envelope thing. Folio, I guess you'd call it. Um, so to start with, you undo the tie, and hopefully it doesn't explode. Anyway, and I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell on the camera because of the shininess, but of the CD covers and the envelope cellophanes or whatever. But there's a lady inside each one of these, and this whole thing was made with the kit called Gypsy Rose, and it's by Pink Monarch Prints. So we have our gypsy lady here, the word passion. All of these are sort of I don't know how to explain it. Words that are kind of in a theme, like strong, powerful women. Okay, so here's a writing card that I forgot to put something on the back of. Anyway, the butterfly. So then you open this. This is an envelope, and then there's a writing tag in here. And then you open that, and there's another gypsy lady. And now this is a giant journaling card. And then there's another one here. And then this is a writing card. Okay, then this opens this way. Let's see if I can get it right. This opens this way. And there's another gypsy lady here. I have to keep looking over at the camera to make sure I'm kind of holding them flat enough. And then you open this way. And some more confident and proud. And then you open it this way, and this one says brave, and there's another lady in here. And then this side has, well, let me do it this way. Okay, and so then you go back this way, and there's this. This is a triple pocket. I only have 2 cards in here, but this comes out the top, and it goes all the way down the whole length. This comes out, and it goes down about this far, and then there's room for another one, and it goes the length here. I just didn't want to cover up the color right there. All right, so then this opens this way, and there's another big tag here. There's another lady here and a CD cover, and then she opens. Oh, and each one of these, geez, I can't believe I forgot to tell you, each one of these ladies comes out, and they are journaling cards, every single one of them. So every one of these that I just showed you, they all come out, and you can write on them whatever thought you have about being strong or being brave. And then you open this, and there's some more tags. And by this time, we're determined we're going to figure out how to do this. And here's another long tag. This is for places for you to write what you're thinking about when you see these prompt words. And my dog, of course, is barking in the background. And then here's another, that's what I wanted to show you. Okay, so these match here. And then there's, okay, so now that I've yelled at the dog. Okay, so this all matches on the inside. So each one of these is a CD cover with the ladies in them, and like I said, they come out, they're journaling tags. So you want to write something about how you feel about yourself being strong and being free. And then on either side here, these are belly bands, and there are these big tags here, the matching tags. And then you open this. Yes, we are almost to the center. And then each one of these holds a tag. And on one side, they have a pattern, and on the other side, they have their writing. So I don't know which way I kind of like them better. Anyway, in here, this matches. This is powerful and unshaken. And then just here's a bunch more tags for you to write on. Now, this was meant to be a minimalist, kind of a modern take on a gypsy journal. And I never remember how to close it, just so you know. It's not just you, it's me. It's not you, it's me. We're breaking up. So, see, I do it wrong every time. Anyway, we're not even done yet. Let's see if I can figure this out. Ta-da! And then she goes in here somewhere. There we go. All right, but then when you flip it over, there's a file folder. Now the only thing I have left to do is I'm going to put a couple of little white Velcro dots there, but all I have are black ones right now. So then you open this up like this, and here's a ginormous journaling card. And then there's a pocket that goes all the way across, and this is a bunch of journaling paper, and it's been hand dyed this light color of like a peachy rose color, and then I put some gold metallic speckles on it. So that's it. That's the whole big giant deal, and I had fun doing it, and there's not going to be a tutorial on this one because this took me days and days and days to do. We will do one on a stacked envelope, something or other, but just not on this exact one. So thank you for watching. I know it ran a little long, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.